Da ni'n edrych ymlaen i groesawu dysgwyr blwyddyn 9 yn ôl i'r ysgol ar yr 8th o Fedi. We are looking forward to welcoming year 9 learners back to school on the 8th of September. Pan fyddwch chi'n cyrraedd yr ysgol, boed hynny mewn car, trafnidiaeth ysgol neu wrth gerdded, mi fyddwch chi'n dod fyny'r llwybr tuag at adeilad yr ysgol ac yna yn mynd ar hyd y flaen adeilad yr ysgol, gan fynd reit i ben draw adeilad blaen yr ysgol, rownd y gornel, a dyma lle mae mynedfa blwyddyn 9. When you arrive in school, that's been by car, school transport or by walking, you will come along the footpath up towards the school and then you will come along the front of the school's main building. You will carry on walking right to the end of the main building and then you will come around the corner and this is where the entrance will be for year 9.